Now welcome again. Now in this tutorial I want to learn how to create menu, and now you can create pages as well. Then we'll be able to link those pages into the menu. Now here we go. Now click on the menus we have here. You click on plus. Now what will be the menu name? Let me use our theme. The link that the menu will take us to. Add to inline. So save. Now let's check our website, refresh. You can see our theme here. Let me click it. Now it takes me to Samora, but because of the link I used here. So now that is as inline. Let's see the second option we have there. We have as drop down. So let's see the menu. You refresh your website. Our theme, wait, more pages. So it will be here, more pages. Our theme. So that means if it is as drop down, it will come to a drop down like this, so that you can add as many as you want. And if it is like 6, view all will be at the bottom. So when you click on view all, you should be able to see all those links, and you can click on those links. But if you, let's assume you have 10 links, so like 6 will be displayed. Another button will be there called view all, so you'll be able to see all the links. Now after that, that means I only reference external websites into our websites. You can see this external website. When I click on this, it takes me to Samora, but my website is not Samora. But so what are we going to do? What if we want to create page, so that when we click on the menu, it will take us to the page? Here we go. Let me remove this first. Now click on pages. Now on this page, we have click on plus. Now you can enter your contents here, but what if you want to format your contents? Like you want to make it bold, you want to change the color, you want to add videos, YouTube videos, you want to add pictures. How are you going to do that aside from this picture here? So this picture here is optional. So if you add it, picture will be inside your page. So if you don't add it, picture will not be inside your page. Now how can you now make this place so that we can, if I will be able to write like title. Okay, let me write welcome. Now this welcome, I want to make it bold by pressing Ctrl B. So can that make it bold? No. So you click on this place, look for add-on, this add-on, so install it. Now after that, go back to your website manager, click on pages, then click on plus. You can see, so I can design my content. Let me put sample page. Now the content, you can even maximize it like this. So anything you want to write. So welcome to my sample page. Now Ctrl B, make it bold. You can see. You can even change the color by just come to this place. Red. You can see. Make it bold. Change the font. This one to include links to your page. This one to include YouTube. Not only YouTube, you can see YouTube. We have different, even Instagram as well. You can still include it there. And table, when you explore more. So you just testing those icons, you see their work. So now picture is optional. You can add it if you like. Okay, let me put one. Let me use this. Save. Now the page is saved. If you want to edit, click here. If you want to preview the page, click on this link, then go to this link. You can even copy it and go to the link. This is the page I just created. You can see welcome to my sample. So this is the page I just created. Okay, now but the page is not found on our menu. You can see the page is not found. So the page is not known until you reference it. So how are you going to do that? Copy this. You need to copy it. Come to menu. Click on plus. What will be the menu? Let me use our career. Anything. Link. Copy the link. Paste the link you copied. As inline or as drop. You don't have this one before. So click on save. Then let's go to our website by refreshing our career. This was the one I just add. You can see it takes me to the page. So that means we have linked the page into our website. That is a simple way to create page, link your page into your menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.